Oi, oi. Hello, how you doing? Well, good news. Got out of those fucking horrible trades I was in before. So we got one in profit and one break even. So I had a really good win actually on the one I got profit. So that was really good. Okay. So let's have a look at what we got going on here. Okay. So this is I'm in this trade. I'm in two new trades as well. So this is them. So we're here. Let's have a look at them. What do we got here? Okay. Let me get out of this. Okay, so this one not going so well, but still all right. It's still heading up. Still going up. Still making higher highs. Okay. I think it might be all right. It pulled back a bit. Got a nice green candle there. I got in up here, typical. As soon as it get in, pulls back. I wasn't even there. I was in a meeting. And I thought, fuck, it's going up. It's going up. Getting some nice big green candles. I thought, stuff it. I'll put a fucking buy order in just up here. And if it goes up and hits it, well, I'll go with that. And it went up and hit it and then pulled back. But still making higher highs, higher lows. If need this just to come up, just need this to pop up here, it will be all right. It'll be away. But anyway, so here's my second trade. I'll keep an eye on that. The second one's doing really well. There, look at this one going. Same thing again. I went to the meeting, so I thought, looks like it's going up. I'll put a buy order in. If it makes a new high, well, I'll get in it. And when I come back from the meeting, I was in it. Okay, so I broke through this fucking resistance here, pretty much punched through it. Got me take order, me take win up here, take profit. Okay. As you can see, it's pretty strong resistance up here. Might be at a bit of resistance there now. But anyway, it's on its way. It's moving, so that's good. It's moving in the right direction. So this one's a good one so far. This one, just dicking around, but I think it'll come good. Okay, so let's get into what's this one? Oh, this is me win. This is a good win, this one. I had a really good win on this. Look at these big red candles. Okay, as you remember, I was struggling really bad with this one. Okay, this is our hedge that we got in. All right, so we had a win on that hedge and a break even here. Okay, this is the first one we got in. Then went down. Then I put another buy order in, and it went up and up and up. I don't think this was the hedge. Was this the fucking hedge? I can't remember. No, this wasn't the hedge. Yes, it was, because that was a sell. Okay, now I'm with it. Oh, it's been going on forever, this trade. Anyway, so I hedged this. All right, we got out, put another sell order in there. That was a good win, all the way down to there. That was a good one. That was a tidy little profit. Okay, and then we had this little shitty bit. Okay, took a break even. Very small loss, this one. So that was a really good win, that one. Fucking glad I got out of it. I told you I'd get out of this and profit. So we got the profit off this hedge. Then we got the profit off this sell. So happy days, happy days. That was good. Fuck, it was looking bad there for a while. When it was going up here, I was down a lot, man. I was down a lot. And then, boom, this big red candles come down, and I thought, fucking, you beauty. Yeah, then she rebounded a little bit, bounced, come back down. I'm out of it. Anyway, I made profit, got a profit. And this one is pretty much break even. All right, it's down a fucking tiny bit. Okay, but I'm going to call it break even. There's nothing in it. Okay, so that was the break even. Got out of that at break even. Maybe I should have let that go. Would have come back down here and I would have shit me pants. Just really wanted to get out of those two trades because they were hanging around for ages and I was losing big time. Okay, so that's how I get out of losing trades in profit or break even. Okay, this one was alright. I'd set this one right. This one, okay, dollar cost averaged in. Put a sell in here, typical. As soon as I put a sell, just fucking skyrockets. God, I was losing a lot of money there. And then we had some pretty good resistance back here. So I put another sell in, and then it fucking kept going up. Oh man, I thought I was going to get wiped out. And then come up, come down, came down, come down, come down, come down. I said, I'm out. I've got good profit out of that. I'm going to take that and I'm out. So that was a good win. That was a good win, that one. That put me back to where I was before. So that was good. And I'm in this trade and this one's looking all right. It's nearly up and we take profit already. So we take profit there. Won't be a massive win. Be a nice win though. Be a good one. And this one, I think this one will come good too. If not, I've got another buy limit in down here just in case it comes back down. Got some nice support there. Support. Resistance there. Yeah, kind of resistance there. So I think this one will be all right too. So that's it. Excuse me. That was pretty good, eh? So I had a nice win out of after all that. Tell you just got to hang in there. That's how you do it. Just got to hang in there. Have trust the, what's it called? Trust the system. Trust the process. 99% of the time it works out. You could either get out break even or in profit. Okay? Because even this trade, I was losing really bad. I was starting to freak out on this one. No, not this one. This one. I was starting to freak out. This one down the bottom here, that was in massive loss, man. Massive loss. From there, all the way up to here is huge, mass. I thought I was going to get wiped out. It took like over 50% of my balance. It's like, oh shit, okay, this is it. This is how I get wiped out. And then up here even, it's like, oh god, man. But yeah, it worked out. Come back down, come down, and boom, bada boom, got out. This was a good win though. This was a nice one. That was a good one. So that's it. That's how I got in. Dollar cost averaging. Got in here. Fucking went against me as always. Put another sell order in here. Yeah, I didn't know where it was going to go here because look at this. I was thinking maybe up here. I was probably going to put another sell order in up there. Probably. Let's have a look. Yeah, geez, I don't know. If that broke up past that, this, I would have been in trouble. There would have been nothing to stop it. Just would have been open air all the way up. But anyway, turned into a nice win. All right. So, 2 horrible trades, break even, and good profit. Just got 2 more trades going. One's looking good, and one's still all right. Yeah, that's looking good. Look, that's going to go green, make a new high. Fingers crossed. What do you reckon? So that's it. That's how you get out of them. Works for me, and so far so good. Okay,